20 nautical miles Chesapeake Bay, Virginia to Cape Henry, Virginia, including the Chesapeake Bay Bridge Tunnel, at 1:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 12:38 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated a thunderstorm, capable of producing large hail up to the size of quarters over Wolf Trap, moving southeast at 60 knots. This severe thunderstorm will be near Cape Charles Harbor and Plantation Light around 12:50 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Kip the Peak concrete ships in Latimer Shoal around 12:55 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Cape Charles Light and Ship Shoal Inlet around 1 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Triangle Reef around 1:25 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Mariners can expect large hail, high waves, dangerous lightning, and heavy rains. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until this storm passes.
Go Raider!
The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from North Carolina, Virginia, border to Currituck Beach Light, North Carolina, 20 nautical miles, waters from Fenwick Island, Delaware to Currituck Beach Light, North Carolina, from 20 to 40 nautical miles, coastal waters from Cape Charles Light to Virginia, North Carolina, border out to 20 nautical miles until 1:15 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 12:38 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated a thunderstorm, capable of producing large hail 5 nautical miles southwest of Buoy 4A dry docks, moving southeast at 50 knots. This severe thunderstorm will be near waters from Fenwick Island, Delaware to Currituck Beach Light, North Carolina, from 20 to 40 nautical miles around 1 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Coastal waters from North Carolina, Virginia, border to Currituck Beach Light, North Carolina, 20 nautical miles around 1 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Frequent lightning and large hail is occurring with this storm. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects.